Well, this week did not go as planned at all. To paraphrase Robert Burns, the best laid plans of mice and men often go awry. And this week, they did. We'll break the week down just a little bit, but first let's get straight to the weigh-in results. I weighed in this morning at 274.5 pounds, which is a loss of 3.3 pounds for the week. This means I've lost around 27 pounds in 47 days. I am averaging 0.6 pounds every single day. At this pace, I would hit my first 240-pound goal by the end of April. However, I know there are some things coming up that are going to slow down my weight loss progress. But until we get to that point, it's pedal to the metal. After the week I've had, that weigh-in was really good news. First, let's start with activity. The only thing I was able to accomplish this week was getting over 10,000 steps every day. I didn't get any weightlifting in this week, not a single workout. That's because my gym, which is my garage, had to temporarily become a storage facility. I love having my gym in my garage for the convenience sake, but these are the types of things that can happen when you do. Also, guess what? I'm still on the struggle bus when it comes to getting in high intensity cardio. Walking, I have that down. I feel like I can get my steps in while I'm asleep. But getting on the elliptical has proven to be a big obstacle. I'll keep you updated. I'm still determined to make it happen at some point. What saved me this week is I was still able to keep my diet and my macros on point, regardless of what was going on around. Staying at or under 1,500 calories a day and keeping my fat to protein to carb ratio where they should be. I did have another fasting day this week, but this one was completely unintentional. Did not plan it at all. Life just happened. The fact that my body has adjusted to keto is very helpful in this because I can skip a meal or two without having to struggle too much. So even with limited activity this week, I still managed to lose 3 pounds. This provides proof to what they say. Losing weight is 80% diet and 20% activity. I believe it could go even further to 90% diet and 10% activity or exercise. I had a conversation with someone recently, and they told me that they couldn't lose weight right now because due to their circumstances, they couldn't get active. This is a bad mindset to have, because while it's true you cannot out-exercise a bad diet, you absolutely can lose weight with limited activity and a good diet. Then you add more activity in as you can and your circumstances allow. Do not let it be an excuse. This is the longest period of sustained success that I've had since 2017, and I don't plan on slowing down. I'd also love to hear about how your progress is going. Let me know in the comments. Do you think I can hit my 240-pound weight goal by summer? Let's find out together. Stay tuned.